Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Mavid Vishavahe Om Shanti 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 Bolo Purna Brahma Narayani Shishimanandamai ki Jai. Okay, now today I'm making mung salad. You know, kacha mung ka, jo ye aapko dikh raha hoga. You know, I've sprouted it. So it's like same process. You soak it in water, and in the morning you can soak it, in the night you can soak it. So it has to stay there for 12 hours. And after that you take out the mung from the water and tie it in a muslin cloth, you know, like how I showed you val in one of my previous episodes. Same way you sprout the mung. So see how beautifully it has sprouted. Long mung, right? So now you take this mung, and first I'll do the dressing. I want some oil, Bharti. Oil. She's getting the oil. In the meantime, we'll first take the oil and then we'll see how to go about it. Oil. Okay. Put a little bit of oil because I've taken very little salad, okay? Very little. Because the quantity is less. Then you put black pepper. Little bit because you know my quantity is less. I'm taking dry mango powder, which is amchur, to give the khatas, you know. This is amchur. So take a little bit of amchur. So it's khatta. Then you take chaat masala. You know, it all comes ready packet, so there's no big deal. Chaat masala, okay. Then put salt. Mix it. Mix it nicely. Then what you do is, I've taken pudina, mint leaves. So you throw it in. So mix it. Mung salad is very healthy, you know. Some people have it for breakfast also. I've seen that. Then you throw in a little bit of tomatoes, chopped tiny, little bit of kheera, kakdi, a little bit of capsicum. Mix it. Then you take all your mung. Mix. See, it looks so pretty. You know, the maximum amount of stuff is sprouted mung. The rest is like you can sometimes put tomatoes, you can eliminate tomatoes, you can just take kakdi, you can take capsicum, you know, combination you can do any, it doesn't matter. So I've taken this combo today, you know, you can do whatever. And then lastly, put little anar, pomegranate on top, it tastes good. See, it looks nice and colorful. Like I've always said, food should look nice when you serve. Attractive. And then you can put some iceberg on top if you want. If you don't have, you can eliminate. No big deal. See? See how pretty it looks? Can you see? Great. So this is Mung Salad, okay? You can try it at home. And it's very nutritious and very nice. There is a little story that I remembered because we are doing food. So I'm telling you, there was one devotee who came to Ma and said that Ma said ke bhog karke jana, prasad leke jana, you know. So he said, okay Ma. So Ma said, what do you eat everything, or is it that you don't like something? So there was some vegetable that he mentioned which I've forgotten. Now supposing, for example, I'm saying that he might have said Karela or whatever. So he said, Ma, I can't eat Karela. Everything else is fine. So Ma said, okay. Now she goes to the kitchen and she made everything. Ma herself made the food. And she made everything with Karela. Whether it was dal or curry or chapati mein bhi jo, you know, filling karke jo karte like parathas. She did every little thing, including the vegetable and everything, and the pulao. Everything had that vegetable in it. And then she told the girls to serve. So the girls served him the food. He was just licking his fingers and eating it. And he said it was so delicious, so delicious. Then Ma asked him later, how did you like the food? So he says, Ma, itna badhiya tha, itna delicious tha, aapne kya banaya tha, kya tha wo sab, pata nahi chala, it was so delicious, he went on doing. So Ma said everything was Karela only. And he couldn't believe it. Then he went on saying that I don't like this, I don't like this. And finally he ate all that and he thought it was so delicious, you know. So it's all in the mind, you know, that we feel we don't like this and we don't like that. But if you try, and if you have good vibrations, you have good feelings towards your food, every food is very nice, very, very nice. So here it is. Please try it, comment, and tell me if you need more of these kind of things. And if you would like to have some more salads, raitas, whatever, I can do that and show you. So this is all sattvic food basically, right? So one should try it at home, and please subscribe so that I also get encouragement from you people, you know, that I have to do this or that. Thank you so much. Jai Ma. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bolo Shishimanandamai ki Jai.